Robert Hooke discovered the law of elasticity, known as Hooke's law. Archimedes is known for his formulation of a hydrostatic principle. Robert Boyle is best known as a natural philosopher, particularly in the field of chemistry. Gregor Mendel was the first person to lay the mathematical foundation of the science of genetics. Wilhelm Röntgen received the first Nobel Prize for Physics, in 1901, for his discovery of X-rays. Ernest Rutherford is known for his pioneering studies of radioactivity and the atom. James Chadwick received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1935 for the discovery of the neutron. Sir Joseph John Thomson helped revolutionize the knowledge of atomic structure by his discovery of the electron. Antoine Henry Becquerel discovered radioactivity through his investigations of uranium and other substances. Max Planck discovered the quantum of action, now known as Planck's constant. Werner Heisenberg discovered the uncertainty principal position and the momentum of an object cannot both be known exactly. Rudolf Virchow pioneered the modern concept of pathological processes by his application of the cell theory. Claude Bernard developed the concept of the internal environment of the organism. Schrödinger is best known for the Schrödinger equation, which describes the evolution of the wave function. William Herschel is the founder of sidereal astronomy for the systematic observation of the stars and nebulae beyond the solar system.